Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to keep your online life secure and simple. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to change your TransUnion password in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, updating your passwords regularly is one of the easiest ways to protect your personal information. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the TransUnion website. It's transunion.com. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any shady mimics. Once you're there, look for the Login button at the top of the page and enter your current username and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll get a code on your phone or email. Go ahead and verify that to proceed. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on Account Settings or Security Options. It might vary slightly based on the latest updates for 2025, but it's typically straightforward. Look for the Change Password section. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors. Next, create a new, strong password. Remember, a good password should be at least 12 characters long, include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using obvious info like your birth date or password 123. Enter your new password in the required field, then re-enter it to confirm. Double-check for typos before hitting the Save or Update button. Once you submit, TransUnion will process the change, and you might see a confirmation message. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. But if you run into any issues, like an error message, check your internet connection or contact TransUnion's support through their help center. Changing your password is a quick win for better security, and it only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.